So I wanted to just kind of show this cool program, Lucidchart, I've used for a couple different diagramming programs for business process modeling specifically, and I just wanted to show really quick how to make events that look really nice for anyone. It seems like it's growing in popularity for educators, so you might stumble across this looking for some tips on how to do a better job. Um, you want to make sure that you're selecting the library, so you just click on this More Shapes button, and then click on this BPMN 2.0 library. As a side note, this import button is pretty cool. It allows you to import any Visio stencils into Lucidchart, and actually it will create it as a library. So I don't know. I think there's quite a few companies out there and quite a few libraries, so that might come in handy depending on what you're doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that, and all I've got showing here is some standard default stuff that they include no matter what libraries you're using, and then also I've got this business process modeling library showing. So real quick, how do I make some events that look good? Inside Lucidchart, you drag out the start event. I'm just going to rename it, get message, something like that. And I can go here to the shape options, and it knows that what you've got there is a BPMN shape, which is kind of cool. So it allows you to change it, if you want. You could make it an intermediate event or an end, depending if you accidentally dragged it the wrong shape. In this case, I have what I want, so I'm just going to make that a message. I really like making stuff look good, so Lucidchart's really good with that. Let's get a nice shade of green. I can go a little bit above and beyond if I'd like. It's got some different theme elements and editing you can do. So like if you needed, a dashed line, you could do that, and that comes in handy for some of the things that you need to do for business process modeling. Anyways, I think that looks really nice, and you can drag out these other guys, all kinds of intermediate events that you could think of. You can say, additional. I can make that yellow. I like to make all my intermediate events yellow. Add a gradient real quick. I could do advanced gradient, but just keep it simple. And finally, I like to make my end events red, so I'll do that. Keep with the gradient look. Anyways, I think it looks really nice. Obviously, there's more to business process modeling than events. You can drag out messages and make tasks, or drag out lines and you make your tasks automatically, and you can move everything out around however you want. So anyways, I think that's pretty cool. It's you can easily edit these titles. If I want to make these I want to make it smaller, I can do that. This properties bar allows me to do pretty much manipulate any of the font just like I would any word processor. So anyways, I thought it was kind of interesting and hope you find this useful. Thanks.